Who's in the box? Oh, what's in the box?
Well, guys, once again, welcome back to Jack on Tracks and another episode of What's in the Box. I recorded this unboxing earlier and my fat thumbs deleted it somehow. I don't know. Sorry. But here we are again. I already opened it up. The box is a little flappy. I don't know if you can see it, but it came all the way from Italy because it's a fragile. And I know, God, that's such a bad one. I know. It's a dad joke. I'm sorry. Bam! Here we go. Look at that. 4 BOWSER H22a's. I have a bunch of, I don't even know how many, I got a lot of H21a's, which I was hoping to continue buying those, but they're becoming harder to find online as kits. And I'm not sure if BOWSER makes those as ready to runs anymore. I kind of am not a big fan of ready to runs, but as I'm looking at the ready to runs and the value that comes in some of these that are appropriately priced, not some of these freaking $39 kits that are basically Atherton blue boxes with metal wheels and Katie couplers put together for 30 something bucks. Forget that. Won't be buying too many of them. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's basically it. I bought 4 of these bad boys off of eBay. The supplier that had these is a really decent place. His prices are very reasonable. And if he ever gets any more of these bad boys in stock, I will most likely be buying them as well. So listen, guys, stay tuned. I'm going to announce the giveaway very shortly. Still just trying to figure out these rules, and we'll go from there. Thanks for watching. Oh yeah, go back and pick a color, because once I get the backdrop painted and I get ready to start gluing the foam down to the top of that bench work, whatever the color is picked the most on the in that video, the color's getting that stained. Alright, have a good one. Thanks for watching Jack's on Tracks. Catch you later. Hey guys, welcome back once again to Jack in the Box. I know,